Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 3.2, understanding quadrilateral. Question number 2 says find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of first 9 sides, second 15 sides. In previous lecture I have discussed with you, whenever it is given regular polygon, here also it is given regular polygon, and if they ask you to find the measure of each exterior angle, then there is one formula for it. Each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. Here we have been given number of sides already. We have to find exterior angle, and we know the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So we can directly put, here we will write, here the number of sides n is equal to 9. Therefore each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree, because sum of all the exterior angle divided by number of side. So it will be 360 divided by 9, and you know in 9's table 36 is going 4s, so it will be 40. Therefore we can write each exterior angles of a regular polygon having 9 sides is 40 degree. Right? This was our first question, first part. Now second part. Here we will write the number of sides is equal to, n is equal to 15 this time. Therefore each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by 15. Now 15 2s is 30, and 15 4s is 60. So our answer will be 24 degree. Therefore each exterior angles of a regular polygon having 15 sides is equal to 24. Now question number 3, but let me first write down the question. So I have written the question. Question number 3 says, how many sides, we have to find right now sides, does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. That means we have given each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree, and we have to find number of sides. So we know the formula. Putting it in formula, we will get the answer. Here each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. Therefore number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 24 degree. Sorry, it is 24 degree only. You can divide yourself also by long division. 360 divided by 24. 24 ones is 24, and you will get 12, and 24 5s will be 120. So our answer is 15. Therefore we can say a regular polygon having each exterior angle 24 degree have 15 sides, right? So we have solved question number 2 and 3 of exercise 3.2. We will solve question number 4 in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.